What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of A Life with Cars today. If you're new to the channel and you enjoy these videos, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you along for a ride. Today we are going down to Jeff's house and we're in the 1995 Acura Integra GSR sedan. And the brake line's rusted out. 276,000 miles. It was bound to have something happen. So we're gonna shoot over there tonight. I have this lovely roll of copper line and get some things done. I've been driving the CRX a whole bunch and the Integra's been sitting for, shoot, weeks now. So just fire it right up. Look at that, beautiful. Love this car. Got the nice little Bluetooth unit, you know, connects your phone and everything. So we are gonna get over there and get the job going. All you needed was a pry bar for that brake line.
Have to try. You're gonna have to. I might just need air. That's the only thing we're gonna need air for. Let's just bolt the flywheel holder on. Oh yeah, that's fucking neat. That's why I want to buy this. I want to buy this whole kit. If we can start doing like LSs for people, I'll buy this kit. This is for anything LS, like Gen 3.
Gen 3 or 4.
Yep.
It's all the same.
Yep.
The only thing that changed really is rods and pistons. Gen 4's got better rods and pistons.
LS stuff.
Your aluminum motor's got it's Gen 4. It's got good rods and pistons.
Well, motors.
It's that rusty Honda life. Yeah, I mean it's ridiculous. Everything about this car is rust, though. Everything. Rust.
No,
That's how you get it. Fitting. Helps when you have all these tools. How many miles did you say were on this, Jordan?
290.
290,000 mile LS. Still's a good motor. I mean, definitely still a good block.
Look at rotating assemblies, man.
Yeah. What are your plans with it?
Boost.
Boost. Yeah, you gotta love Jeff's new toy. Thing's awesome.
Makes me want to buy one even though I just bought a whole set.
It'll definitely be a testament to LS reliability if this thing runs good.
It ran good when it was in the truck.
No, I mean like if it runs good on boost and is reliable still. And it begins.
There we go.
Flare it on there.
Like a glove.
Like a glove.
There. Yep.
It's brake line season. Yep, absolutely.
This is our third set this week. This is the one I'm doing tomorrow morning.
That's great.
You gonna do a gear drive on this?
I'm not gonna do a gear drive on. I mean,
Director, you want to do all that work to swap that out instead of just buying like that conversion harness to make that?
I didn't know that was the...
Yeah.
Did you look at the cam bearings? You actually looked at them? So that means they're bad?
they're not even that bad. Look at them. They're pretty.
No, I know.
They're not. They're not brown.
They're brown.
They're pretty bad.
They're not that bad.
I've never... The rod bearings on the Ecotech today look 10 times better than that.
Okay, it's got 300,000 miles.
I don't care. That means it's ready to go. The block's been heat treated now.
Yeah. It's like those BMW race engines back in the day, dude.
Iron, it's good to go.
M10s, dude, for the Formula 1 blocks.
Look at how nice.
That's what they use. You better clean it up pretty good, though.
Okay, this thing came out of a mud truck. Okay. I bought this engine for $50 in like a transmission and an engine.
Are you gonna buy? Are you gonna buy the 4.8 pistons that are flat? $100.
What? Not.
Bro,
I want to boost it. So how much is gonna help the turbo spool faster?
it's fine the way it is. We're gonna clean the pistons up and we're gonna put it back together.
Send it, dude. Just gonna send it.
Because I'm gonna buy
Because it's a $50 motor. Hey, once it's in there, you know how fast you can get it in and out.
If there's no oil release on the control ring, drill it.
Yeah, it's a cast piston though.
So,
You want the oil to come back down and keep that piston cool.
I think I can really understand someone's call.
especially if 300,000 pounds.
We should be alright.
Are we gonna pickleball it if you take the pistons out? Pickle like shit.
We're gonna put it right back together. It's not that bad. Dude, it's really not that bad. We might pick
It'll work. Gonna do some line fishing. You pulled this up yourself? Jesus, Murphy. That's ridiculous. I guess when you do it every day for years, kind of becomes a custom.
When you're an old man.
When you're an old man. Instead of disturbing the force and just completely getting that out of the way. Gotta love that flexible copper line too. Money well spent.
Oh, dude, this is these man.
Shout out to O'Reilly's for price matching.
You came and got that today, didn't you?
Yes. Well, I ordered it the other day, but
Yeah, I was in there this morning knowing you were in there getting it.
Yeah.
We can fit it. We got enough to dispose.
That's why I got 50 feet, dude.
So I was like, I'm gonna break that motherfucker out. I start looking through the underneath the manifold. 3 wires, all the fucking covers are off them and they're touching. Like touching ground. Like they ate all of it because everything's soy based now. Like son of a bitch.
Gotta love it.
Oh, I got to pull manifold off. Can't go any further till then.
Soy-based wiring harnesses.
I'm telling you, I got
Silly.
lucky with them. Okay,
You would have thought they would have learned that back in the day with Mercedes, dude. They started with Mercedes on that.
They had like that far.
It's always about making it easier on yourself. What just happened?
Someone misguided the brake line.
Oh yeah? Yeah.
Jeff, didn't you guide the brake line in by yourself?
Well, guiding it in's different, but finding it was the real problem.
When we say we might get 2 lines done and end up having to get 2 lines done regardless.
This is probably
Bleeding time.